Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Cilbir, Turkish poached eggs. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. I appreciate you being here from whatever platform you are watching us on. Go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making Cilbir, which is Turkish poached eggs. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. Alright, we got our yogurt sauce, which I already made. It is essentially 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chopped mint, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, juice from 1 lemon, 1 garlic clove that we've minced up, and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and pepper. Then we've got our pepper butter that we're going to make, and we got 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of hot chili flakes, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. And then of course we got our 2 eggs. We're going to add some water to a pan to poach those in with a little bit of vinegar. And then we've got, for our other ingredients, we have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of dill, and some more chili flakes for the garnish. Now the yogurt sauce that I made and described in this video, I've also made a video of that. You can watch that right here at this card right here, whatever side, I'm not sure. But I will leave a link for that up there, or over here, or up here, and also down in the description box so you have that. The recipe for this Cilbir is also down in the description box. Alright, let's head over to our stove and we'll start making this up. Alright, we've got our ingredients over there in the old mise en place right there. We got our butter, all the herbs and spices we're going to use, our eggs, olive oil, and some dill. And the utensils we're going to need, so I'm going to focus on our pan and we'll start cooking this recipe up. Alright, I'm going to get the heat on about medium high here. And we'll put our butter in, let that start to cook, melt. Alright, our butter is now officially where I want it to be. I'm turning off the heat, adding our paprika, our cumin, and our chili flakes. I'm going to add half of what we've got here because we're going to use the other half for garnish. Let me just stir that up. Now, ideally you want to use Aleppo peppers, but I don't have any, so I'm using just chili flakes like we use on our pizzas and stuff. Alright, stirred it in. Now we get it out of the way. Make room for our poach water. I'm going to turn this on. I've already added ACV, or apple cider vinegar, to this, so the eggs will not stick to the pan and they'll cook properly. So I'm just going to get the heat on, get it high for right now, and then we'll turn it down when we need to. Let the water get hot enough. Now the yogurt that I made, I showed you, remember there is a link at this video that I'm attached to it that will show you the video for that yogurt sauce that you make for this, but you want this to be room temperature. You don't want to keep it cold and then when you go to plate, use cold yogurt sauce. So pull it out, let it get a little room temperature before you plate up, and I'll explain more of that when we actually do the plating and presentation. But we're gonna wait for our water to boil, and then we'll start poaching our eggs. Alright, we got our water. It's getting a little rolling boil going on here. So I'm gonna set our eggs into it. And remember that they need to be poached eggs. Do not scramble or over easy or over medium. To be Cilbir, it needs to be poached, so to make it authentic Turkish. We're gonna let these poach for about 4 minutes. I'm gonna grab our yogurt and our plates. All right, you can see our eggs are poached. They're almost ready to go, so I'm gonna kind of move everything over to this side counter over here so we can plate this up. So I'm gonna move this production over about 6 feet so we can plate this. Alright, what I want to do first is you want to put the yogurt sauce in your bowl or plate, whatever you got. Now this makes a couple servings too, so I'm not going to use all of this, but you kind of spread it around the bottom of your bowl. Make a little pocket for the eggs, I guess, right there. And we're going to take our eggs, set it right in the middle, Take our butter sauce that we made. Spread that right on top. A little bit of olive oil. More chili. And some dill. Garnish that up. That's it. We're going to take it over there. We're going to take some pictures of it. We're going to, like I said, take some good pictures of it, and then we're going to throw that in the timeline with some really good music. Then we're going to come back and give this a taste. Don't go anywhere. Perfect looking food as far as I'm concerned. It smells good, good colors to it, a lot of seasonings. I can smell a lot going on in there. Got some toast over here so you can enjoy it. I'll go ahead and break open the yolk there so you can all see that. Perfectly cooked egg there. I'll go ahead and crust off some of this bread. Stir a little bit of each into it. That lemon yogurt, it's got that mint in it. So you've got so many levels of flavor here with the heat. The creaminess of that egg and the yogurt. There's really not a lot of crunch in here, but there's nothing wrong with that. This is, wow, yeah, the yogurt got that lemon and the dill. I'm sorry, the yogurt's got that lemon and the mint in it, a little bit of garlic. Very creamy, very tart. Got some acidity in there from, of course, the yogurt and the lemon. The eggs are just smooth and creamy. Got to be poached eggs too, remember that, not scrambled or over easy. But man, this is good. This is totally different. If you want to make something besides hash browns and eggs and omelets and pancakes for breakfast, give this a try. Recipes in the description box below. Don't miss out. This is really, really good. You won't regret it. You'll make it again and again. Yeah, yeah. A lot of flavor going on in here. All right, folks, gotta go. We made Turkish poached eggs. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay cool, be healthy, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul.